Hello everyone. Today I would like to share my Char Siu chicken wing recipe the way I always prepare it. The thoughts of Char Siu is usually associated with pork, but today I'm going to show you how to use chicken wing instead of using pork so everyone can enjoy it. So let's get started. This is a very straightforward recipe. If you notice when talking about Char Siu, most of us can quickly imagine the reddish and char color, most probably from red food coloring. The key flavor to my choice of Char Siu recipe is first add in the pounded 3 aromatic from shallots, garlic and ginger. Next, add in 1 piece of nam ghee and 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce. Combine them well. Just mix it until well combined. 2 dessert spoons of Chinese Shaoxing wine. Let me pour and show how the seasoning looks like. Notice the reddish color tone. This is from the nam ghee red color. Here I would like to show you how I cut the chicken wings. Some of them are deboned and without debone. This is to show you have 2 methods and the choice is yours to choose. Again, so let's add in the seasoning and mix it until well combined. Marinate and chill in the fridge, best overnight so the seasoning will penetrate into the chicken wing. I will place it in a sealed container until I want to use it tomorrow. Marinate and chill in the fridge, best overnight so the seasoning will penetrate in it. Next, I prepare the aluminum foil as my baking tray. You may opt not to use the aluminum foil as per your preference and place it directly on the wire tray. This helps me to prevent washing the oily dripping directly onto the tray. This is my way. Pour away excess marinated juice, liquid. Then I sprinkle 2 tablespoons of corn flour into the chicken. This helps me to speed up my baking time as the corn flour will absorb the excess marinated liquid. Spread it on the foil. These are chicken wings with bones and we are ready to bake. When the surface of the chicken starts to dry, you can start to flip it to the other side to bake. Seems like both sides are almost 80% baked, and it is about time to spread honey on both sides of the chicken wing evenly. And after spreading everything, straight back to the oven and continue to bake. I kept flipping so that they are evenly baked. Keep your eyes on this at this moment if you do not want to burn your chicken wing. It is almost ready and it can burn very easily. Just take note and be careful on this. Continue to bake the next batch, which is the boneless chicken wing. Boneless chicken wing is very suitable for young kids because it is boneless. Juicy, moist and flavorful it is when we homemade ourselves if we compare to those bought outside which are drier. Well, if you have a barbecue grill, you may grill and voila, you will find it truly smell the smoky char from the charcoal aroma. Truly or really authentic indeed. I truly hope you can give it a try and the recipe is in the description box. Until then, see you again in my next coming video. Bye bye and thank you.